Some say that whiteboards always get dirty, that stains are inevitable, that old smudges are just a part of life. At Nobo, we disagree. Introducing the new Nobo Nano Clean Steel Whiteboard. Protected by advanced Nano Clean technology, these boards stop ink from staining or ghosting and keep the board looking like new time after time. Using nanotechnology, Nobo has engineered the optimal surface chemistry. Comprised of particles that are 1/10 the size of an ink particle, the coating allows ink to stick without staining or ghosting. Nano Clean Steel is the easiest to clean whiteboard surface, even in the toughest environments, including classrooms, meeting rooms, and more. We are so confident that they come with a 15-year warranty. And with 7 different sizes, you're sure to find the perfect board for your space. A bold, modern design with advanced technology. The Nano Clean Steel Whiteboard from Nobo. Think, share, inspire.